In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to bring a group of colleagues together for a project or connect friends and family in a more structured way, Microsoft Teams offers a fantastic platform to build your community. So let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to take to set this up. First, start by opening the Microsoft Teams application. If you're accessing it on your computer, you'll see the left sidebar populated with different tabs. Here, you're going to want to focus on the Communities tab. Communities in Teams function somewhat like groups, providing a space for group conversations, planning, and information sharing. Go ahead and click on that tab to proceed. Once you're in the Community section, you'll find an option to create a new community. It's usually a button labeled Create a Community. Clicking on this will take you to a screen where you can start customizing your new community space. The first thing you need to do is decide on a name for your community. Choose something that reflects the purpose or main activity of your group. This will help members easily identify its primary function instantly. Next, you'll have the opportunity to add a description. This step is optional but highly recommended. By providing a brief description, you can clearly communicate the community's purpose and goals. This can be especially helpful in guiding new members on what to expect and how they can contribute. After that, you'll need to decide on the privacy settings for your community. You have two main options here. A public setting allows anyone to join your community, ideal for open groups. If you prefer to maintain a little more control over who joins, consider setting it to private. A private community means only invited members can participate, which can be beneficial for more sensitive or exclusive groups. Once you've set the name, description, and privacy settings, it's time to think about who you want to invite to your community. You can add members by entering their email addresses or phone numbers. This step allows you to bring together people who share common interests or goals. After entering the necessary information for the members you want to invite, you can proceed to create your community by clicking on Create. And there you have it. Your new Microsoft Teams community is now ready. Remember, this space is designed to be a collaborative environment where members share ideas, updates, and insights related to your common interests or goals. Feel free to explore the various features within your newly created community and make the most out of what Microsoft Teams has to offer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Dive in, get started with your community, and see how much of a difference it can make in connecting people efficiently and effectively.